I was information ya Mr. Address NDC abonye kuno omolusu spiritual backends ya back woman as ye besha abra to about 2024 ema NPP elusiwe no party leadership no eba bonte be chese sa lose na omolusu ne de enye spiritual manipulation bi ekoso tia wo no ka wo bi na wo mo elusiwe no ene Mr. Prophet bosheba ewo mi studio ha so fo wo no ene predict NDC bi na so hye nkoma NDC ba fe plane crash ekoso Ghana so wo share Hong Kong ya wabo pini nchen e wo studio ha kama ho na ya mana kwaba na afi yeni nkomo e too much GA na ne so ahwe ebusia me nkodi fo ne mana kwaba na afi yeni nkomo odi fo mo akwaba
eni aba me da se
papa ni aboko
andom ne homo broti
nyame ase
nyame ho yemo
NDC e baba power no wo ka ho bi wo komsha wo share ka ho me ba power sabri NDC for sunsu e ka wo machi ye de mo ba power no yes sunsu ne flo machi Mr. Sadia na akoso sunsun from theater with the NDC Eluso spiritual backings.
Let us say, well, I will go into details of this matter.
Okay.
Now sometimes I will come to my scripture, but let me just begin somewhere. Then we'll end it somewhere. Now sometimes ne pay nimudia or wa or shire. Are you getting me? Maybe which means you are brabombe kase wa honde. Bia na ubi otawe chinti. And a madia ekoso no koso wa brabo. You can be prospering as a man. Now if you say bia aye wona wo ye dwumaden. But bia na wo yere aware no. And na honde ntawachi.
Okay.
Until the moment I be hwere sa wife no. No wa honde nko.
Okay.
Na de tawachi no ko. Sana indisi yakoye. I will tell you how.
How?
And I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Now the reason being that some of us, we know what we're holding. We knew what we did for NDC to come to power. We understand very well. 3 people came to my office and we are NDC for before. And I told them, this is the decision I've taken. Said, I'm going to take my hand off the NDC for a time. Now, if I take my hand off the NDC, I just want to take my hand off for a season. Let's see what will happen. Because people are talking too much. People are talking too much. They don't even know the people who brought them to power. They don't even know what brought them to power. And the kind of massive way now, they don't even know how come.
Odifo say Ghana ya battle trend na 8 years be as a sample 8 years be as a sample and the 8 year na e beto aba no party be winning massively ye share 2016 abana na do kwakufa do winning ye na o winning massively because that time we say unprecedented didn't see that same thing ato NPP for so di 8 years ni we NDC ba no wo so e winning massively enti se wo ka say spiritual backing say be amon na mo ye na mo de NDC for ne ba power enye 8 years trend no na Ghana for di echi no mo say NPP for ho afo no wo mo ye na ye ka no mo tie enti yen system ne ma NDC bra emphasis on say bia ho
David, what kind of say you get it wrong?
Okay, odi for say
you will get it very wrong. Because about to and 8 years more.
Oh sir.
Yes.
Okay.
And you voting now go voting a man nipa no winning. E dey cause sunsun. Because before I will be winning, you have already won in the spirit. What do we do for you to win? What we will do is we will do a direction to tweak the people's mind and the people's heart towards you. Enti obi betumi akoto abokasa meka se mekoto aba masimesi we mekoye no makoto ama we minim de nti a mekoto ma asimesi we. Are you getting me? Because things have been worked on spiritually.
Okay.
And it is the spirit at work and not human. That is why Paul Ekachom said, we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against spiritual powers. Into the life we are living and everything you see in life, it is about the spirit and not about the flesh.
Okay.
Are you getting me? It's never, they could have, and come back and lose 2024 election. And can this will not win 2024 election?
And yes, sir, Odi for so because an aside there, and when he hasn't party for no, I'm on your phone bear campaign, one month and no consult us of no. There is one, no my spiritual directions, not it's uni and my near Papa.
No, there be a physical work and you will spiritual work. The spiritual work cannot override the physical work. Sounds on a physical work and when to me override the spiritual work. Are you getting me? Okay. Mean to me, she comes up Obenyam and Brown Kununko die. Now one. Are you getting me? The prophet came to Abraham. Abraham, ye be gave and catch Abraham said, a year by this time, your wife Sarah will give birth to a son. Inti Abraham te sa no ne one ne yiri na nkodi nhia enyem ne beba na. So there is a work attached to everything. You must do your part physically. Then the spiritual one support you. And the man couldn't deba. Even the prophet giving prophecy to Abraham said 12 years. 12 months. Because see a year by this time. A year by this time. No? How many months never year?
12 months.
12 months. Yeah, the 12 months never back.
9 months.
9 months. I don't know say a year by this time.
Okay.
Because the prophet need 3 months to work on what must come. And sign a naba.
Okay.
Are you getting me? As I saw the 3 months, and sana what to me and him our 9 months.
Apostle, NDC by Omunya 1 year and poor Kunyana so ye. And so Camilla says, I saw for no any NDC for no airco. See, no masha see na spiritual backing said, you buy no, say, lose spiritual backings near a dear. Minister said, what should be called Sumam? And a masha quaya, wash and in my ain't and a masha say, attack is for spiritual learner.
Oh no, I'm not sure. Me, I can only talk for myself.
Okay.
Me, I'm not sure. Say, baby, Sark also.
And this is for show.
No.
For man promise.
Me, when this in input, when I was doing my thing, there was nobody involved. Me, I don't do church. Oh, because obviously,
okay.
I'm not doing a standing church. I do mission.
Okay.
So because obviously,
say maybe you promise you plane tickets.
No.
Man promise you
nothing. Now me, all the regions I visited, I went with my own car, my own money. And your money, a bit far, me say me do my mom. And I say me be more dear, they catch them, and no, me. Are you getting me? So I have nothing to do with that one. But who will tell you? Say you are losing grounds because of this one, because of this, because the prophet that brought you to power, you have now left them. You are dealing with the wrong people, and you are dealing with the pastors that did nothing.
Then I make another say, Eddie Jabia Cosums and Nimunan and Nam. As Mo say, Omonia so for be
we are talking about what will keep you in power. We are not talking about what you will give somebody. There is difference between say we be a movie.
Okay.
And he said they do about 2 minutes. We be cream ye.
Okay.
Say Saturday which are to me. Obey to me. And he said, and go for me tower to me. Then necessary. And yes, over show a so crown ye. Are you getting me? There are people who have done things. There are people who have done things and they don't need anything from you. That is what I keep saying. Say, you can put it online anywhere. Say NDC need penny because so whom you are in office there. No. Even the MPs I have in parliament, over 8 MPs in parliament, because almost for 3 months now, if any of them have seen my call. I'm not that debut. Many times out. I don't have time. Because we are dealing with foreigners, we are dealing with banks, We are dealing with companies. How much can you give me? What can you do for me?
Okay.
How much can you give me a best me? What about 4 years? Can your 4 years satisfy me? Can your 4 years take care of me?
Okay.
Your 4 years can never take care of me. Your 4 years cannot satisfy me. Sure. I deal with politicians. Oh. There are individuals, what they do for me, politicians cannot do it. I'm telling you, what some individuals come and do for you, politicians will never do it for you. They won't. And you don't think when somebody is dealing with politicians because openisika. No. And you'll be an edisigechi. No. Because say ever since Nana Jane, with all the work I did for Nana Jane to come back, when people say she will die, when people say I sat with you here, you asked me several times. I said we are working on it. I won't be back. Because I said, have they ever seen me in her office? Me Shanada.
Okay.
Me too. Me who Nana Jane that physically that. Did I stay as I said that you bring me money before I do what God will ask me to do for her to come back or to have a life? No. Me call Basintali Krum. I call you Daroshima Basintali. Have I ever met Basintali before? Okay. Basintali Mama Miskada. Me Shanada. I don't even know the guy. I only see him. Me Hunada. What I did for Kujeto Abrakwa, what I did for Haruna Idisu, I've never met Kujeto, I've never met Haruna Idisu. I was here when I prophesied the IGP that Yohonu will become the next IGP. Have I met Yohonu before?
No.
Have I gone for any money from Yohonu?
Okay.
No. Bafo Boni, me can't say the older Tokono Yebeyi nephew, I'm a Bafo Boni, the next CJ. Have I met him before? Menino Eshada.
Okay.
So you see, people come to my office for political appointment. Ask them, even after the appointment, have I ever called them before? I believe in honor. God said, if I'm your father, where is my honor? I won't come and ask you anything. I am not that kind of man of God. No.
In the apostle, honor na maninti, and a moyi mon said ye free and this is one, and we about my free being say, so wow free whoopim. A year, Juma man could feel bomudina, one could whom 1 year can be a few more. Or mamma me who now free whoopim ye more beside or draw door dear. And yet, dear Naba or Donna Waju as Sabri, spiritual backings, nay friends, which I won't see me consume yet man mama to me no consume tower.
I did what God said I should do, and I'm done.
Okay. As an Yamisha was saying, why ye? Yes.
Can you imagine who will help you from 2021? One never bought from 2021 to win election 2024, and he will never change his mind. And yes, I will to me, yes, I will power. Those in power will come and promise him V8. Those in power will come and promise him dollars. He will deny all of it and say, I want this thing to be done. I want you people to come to power. And will hold his words from 2021 until you come to power 2024. And after you come to power 2024, God said he should still do a 40 days for you. Who will do it?
Okay. Okay.
Are you getting me? From 2021, when I gave prophecy that Mama will come, 2024, I've never changed my mind. I've never changed my words. I've not changed anything until the election was won. Me call Kumasi on 3 radio stations. Shaman come with you can't figures, can't read this NBC be winning. Maybe an uncle and were coming to attack me on a radio station.
So
that is it in Kumasi. Yes. And everyone were there, the hosts they were afraid. And they were asking, who can say more Kumasi through?
Strong NPP.
Yes.
Boldly shame come
figures can say no matter what this NPP will do, they are going to opposition. Both figures, both regions. And when I finish, they say, Prophet, don't go out. There are some gangs
waiting.
I have to call a police officer to come and give me assistance. before I went to my hotel. Do you understand me? Do you think we are just there?
Okay.
So when they came to me, I told them that this is what I've decided to do, and I pray to God. Even Jeremiah cried bomb pie man for no. Nyameka say we mom pie ma omo. Me Nyameka to Jeremiah said these people I won't answer the prayer. Don't pray for them.
Sabri, so state in NDC Adriana said bomb pie no cry nyame won't see no nyama.
No, I'm just it is just an example. Jeremiah couldn't to do so slim nyame. Nyame said there be me answer Jeremiah jump I bomb house uncle fu.
I won't see.
Only I don't see. The both So I just told them, said, you see, we have done our part. You have come to power. Okay, now you are saying, everybody say, I brought you to power. This one is coming to you in such a way that some people even come to you and they, in the name of this, they say, these people is money they want. They say, if I needed money, I would have taken NPP for V8. I would have taken their money. If I needed money, I would have come to their office and say, give me money before I go to all the regions that you wanted me to go. But with my own money, I paid for my own hotels. I bought my own fuel with my own car, including my own driver.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
When you now hear my parts no qua.
That is it. I did not take a penny from anybody. Until me catch on and say, okay, you see, these things I'm hearing is too much. You people are not, you see, I want to take my hand off the steer for a time. Let's see if you will still be on the radar. Because you must know the difference. Is it wrong?
Mami Misa say NDC ba ben no. Few months no. We will say dollar swate, you will say niema no shase e peke ni ade afi na Ghana fo shase oh NDC ba niema sesan wi ma ye calm dollar no kwa swate fu okofom ni ade afi fefre de dollar na start peja fu na start kosoro afi the demonstrations ahodo na shase e koso. Wo se nyame na chew say ye adwuma na NDC na wo ye sa bri ni nyame ka se ye no wa ye wi.
Yeah.
Ene na entrese nyame ankasa na yi ne nsa de friend is no one of person or chese or the NDC ne ba for e bia a term 4 years ne pe na nye se bia NDC na ye bibi enti na spiritual backings no afri omachi ne mum no nyame na o de NDC ne ba no de o ba for 4 terms ene agrobe so efra no pa ye hu popoye ne ntem ene o se 4 years no betwa o mu twa so bi
That be nyame ma NDC 12 years.
12 years.
Yes.
Hey, odifo.
Yeah.
12 years, there's a guy being seen.
Nyame mind is 12 years to be in power.
And some breaking 8.
Yes. Yes.
And
the Nyame baby be so the nipa na ye.
Okay.
Nyame be so baby biamo. Nyame nam nipa so. By the hand of the prophet, God delivered Israel. And by the arms of the prophet, he kept them. So that's it. Inti Nyame enam nipa so. And the yen di adie bi opeso ye.
12 years, there's a community 1 year crowd. Then you're nasty.
Yes. No, some of us are just deciding that we are taking our hands off the steer for a time. Let's see if they'll remain on the radar.
Apostle, and Pentecost be a papa and the children. So out to be free with him, send me here, Mamma, and this is Sabra, no be a mouth shade. Now, if you out to one outside decided, say, my meaning is same friend is force, and I may be a beco. Even course, yes, and count this decision.
When they sat down, and after prophet also been prophecy.
Okay.
You know the calls I received from big men, even including some senior pastors who know almost only me. Do you know the calls I received?
Okay.
Because 3 of them were in my office. I told them this is what I want to do. I did not just say it with my mouth. I made my dear me true. And man true, so I'm not sending message across. Now I want you to read this message. This one. The one that is marked.
Okay. If you like, let me take my hands and see if they will not go off the radar. Sorry. And you will see what will happen.
Thank you. And let me just take off my hand for a time and see if they remain on the radar. If the things will go the same way. $1 now. So let's see how it will go.
And why am I saying and at the end of course, because me send a mintia say me sure some of her phones so NCS I say obi a wow ya de diabua obi a me bo pa obi a me hu obi a ka say bi ma me uko individual obi a krom ko ye niam spiritually make sure some be wi no mo wi ni ye na fe wa out wa no asan take decision say ade na me ye be say me am be say me san say ade no odi fo ntia say
men ka sem person be say no
so we use every so dey na niam na say ade
no ade no say no. The thing is that sometimes people must nyankopon kra to me de oba na nyame apo de ma bonsam na dey so oba akonwa so enyi nyame na kache ni di for so one no so
okay
but nyame anka say I've rejected him. Is it not God?
It's God.
So
say eno who say Paul so be ye nyame anointed so obeye nyama bi eno nam so na ma nyame ka se wa reject.
That is why you see mun kai mo kane do
enti we dey na NBC for ye
mun kai
ya we yi won safi
mun kai
o wan kai o ma didi agam
me utimi didi njami da. If you said I'm not dependent on anybody here and I don't need anything from anybody here, I'm dealing with other nations.
Okay.
I'm dealing with other nations. And you know what? No. I can decide to leave Ghana today.
Okay.
And I'll do better. Because other nations are saying, we want you to come. They are ready for you. But you see, the conclusion of the matter is that what is going on? You must realize where your blessing is coming from. Sometimes you can be in a church and you don't know that this is the pastor and so for we and I may want to sit in a minya mishira. Are you getting me? It is one realizes, sir, you do things anyhow. Leave that church for the season and see what will happen. Saso for no nya mpa boma onya direction ma for a time na hwe dey see. So I've just taken my decision that this is what, and I've prayed about everything I've done. I've prayed about it. Let me take my hand off and stand afar and look and watch and see how it will go.
Apostle Bible say mon kai tete atempon no ne kwan pa no e bia na ne ahwefo hwe na ndc ni bia hu na wa kai tete atempon say ene ye success na ha ne firi papa yi se we yi ne nsa firi so enu nti na ye hu ne ye hu e de na wo munye.
They should get back to their God. I don't have anything to tell them. They should just remember how serious they were when they were looking for power. The kind of heart they had when they were looking for power. Said they are not when they were looking for power. I visited 30 constituencies to make sure some NDC MPs win their seat. And all these 30 constituencies, nobody lost. Have I ever talked about them? No. Out of these 12 people, only 8 people came to me. I've not asked of the rest of them. What did Jesus say? Or sakwata fudu yare abakuba and osede. Thank you. Thank you. I just said what did Jesus said.
Odifo bi kyerɛ amanyɔfo yɛ nkrofo bi a ɔmo ne kura ntam kwan wa amanyɔsɛ mu nkwa ne wɔ propaganda secretary asɛm a ɛne nokorɛ sɛ ɛho strɔtrɔfoɔ wɔ hɔ enti sɛ woyɛ sɔfoɔ na ɛduru sɛ yɛbɛto aba na sɛ amanyɔni ba wo nkyɛn anaa wonya mmɔbɔ bi de ma amanyɔni sɛ woyɛ adwuma ma na ma no awini a you are doing it at your own risk enti sɛ kɔba ne sɛ wonya tumi no na woanhwɛ wo a ɛyɛ woa na wode wo gyidie to wo kyakya enti na no womble mu
ɛne deɛ woyɛ nyame nka nkyerɛ sɛ yɛ me, I do what God will tell me to do, not what man will tell me to do.
Okay.
So that's it. Me, nyame ka say yade way, you can't stop me. I'll go every length to make sure I'll do it. That is me. And I'll do it in such a way, say, I don't need anything from you. I'm not expecting, yeah, if there is no expectation, there is no disappointment. Are you getting me?
I just wish you be quiet and sad.
That is it.
It's me
expectation from you.
And what we disappointment.
And disappointment. No. If you come to honor me, praise God. If you come to say thank you, praise God. But I'm not expecting anything from you.
Okay.
That is how I do my thing. Timiyema or Maya Mirade, make me safe. Miyema we are Maya Mirade. My reward is from God. My reward will come from the Lord. Because I've seen people who will come to me and I've not done anything for them. And they'll just say, I'm here to bless you. Maybe the Amaya will be. And in Yamede na mo biso. Ebi shirame. So I leave it there for time. Me say time will tell. So let me just for a season take my hand off for a season. Let's see how it will go.
Apostle, ebe senior ebeko asabre a spiritual backing say free NDC for echi ebe senior ebeko na yen divert kakra nkopi mu NPP fo asenta fo no na yen hwe ona boke na kompre kwa Japan aba abeka se NPP party ne obi abonafide property o individual bi entimi fa party ne hye ni botu munye ne wo pe sabre NPP bebia wo mu gine yi after 2026 party no it is saying
well NPP have 12 years to be in opposition for a rebuilding.
NDC was 12 years to be in power.
Yes.
NPP was 12 years to be in opposition.
To be in opposition for rebuilding.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So the only way now they can continue doing it. But the tension in the party is not going to stop until what has been tied is loosed.
Yeah, baby.
Maybe a chicken donkey no. It is still there.
For donkey be once now, okay.
Maybe so everything.
Sabre ya NDC spiritual backing said you about power you say you more for me. Still like people for 12 years now. And to me myself 4 years, ya wanted be bet me no more power.
Make 3 mistakes of the NDC. Now which they are heading towards. NPP can come to power by the mistakes of the NDC.
Okay.
And not just Nyamen as a member power. But by your mistakes, you can lose what you have by your mistakes.
Okay.
You can lose everything. God can give you something, but by your mistakes and your errors, you can lose it. You know that my mistakes can make me lose the anointing I have.
Okay.
I can do certain things. Nyame do only anointing in fruits. So gift to not give fruits, but gift to not any juma.
But that was okay.
That is it. So your mistake can make you lose everything that you have. Obi mistake am na losing the sources, the wealth onya. Obi mistake am na losing a warrior. Obi mistake am na losing juma. Obi mistake ne sika wenya woni wiase mu wa ba. Obi mistake am we lose bi dem eno surrounds and wedi. Are you getting me? So your mistakes can take you to a position in 4 years.
And ye be said Dr. Muhammad Bomi and the mistake or ye and so ma bronya ban camp ever supporting because as a ma bronya kano said Dr. Muhammad Bomi more tagging as or ye antichrist into Dr. Muhammad Bomia the mistake near bronya it's in the air course on Lucy primaries.
There is going to be tensions and it is going to look like Baumia will lose. But Baumia will win.
Baumia may win.
Yeah.
2026.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Me see say me na mo.
Baumia is going to win the primaries.
Odi for then about the kasa.
I know what is in the court of heaven.
That is a spiritual realms, you know.
Yes. Some can say there are things Kennedy have to do in 1 year.
Okay.
Michelle Kennedy Hong Kong. Actually, Kennedy near 1 year. Now it is before the 2024 election. And I make catch Kennedy say, yeah, a year group of Kennedy USA.
Okay.
And Kofobi ne ba me ho. And the baby Sam and some catch him say, Kennedy will be the next flag bearer of the NPP after the 2024 election. And I said, then Kennedy to become the flag bearer, he must not do this one. He must not do this one. He must not. Oye will be luzu. Oye will be luzu. Oye will be luzu. Because Baumia is not going to win the 2024 election. So when we need 2024 election now, they are going to go into another primaries. Almost our primaries now because Nipa Adenu Kranini Nuwa Aya Alantino, Kennedy is going to become the next flag bearer. The same things I told them that Kennedy should not do, Kennedy did it and he breached the rule.
And you maybe to say that because it says you're sure about Kenna. First Ken, and yes, they say Ken and you know. They say would be idea that says honorable was a son or why presidential.
So he is war by him the ecosystem. Nipa he is war by Yamishu Akuma. Udini so now.
Other prophets so about one say honorable Ken abana wo kopre na kasa no enya ono na adwene no de ko e sunsun bi de twen de ne ba it sa sunsun na e de ne kwa kodi nkuni.
Well, let's see how to end. The same way they were prophesying about me win. The same way people were saying all kind of things. The same way these prophets were prophesying and about me be winning and about me being away and echo reaching on what happened. The same way some of these prophets in 2020 they were prophesying President Mahama is going to win the election. Once Kasa Mahama will not be president in 2020. They will even go to court. They will fold the paper and throw it in the dustbin. They tag us. They insulted us. Did they win 2020 election? No. Kasa 2024. Are they not in power now? When we decide, when the watchers decide, when the holy ones decide, I will do what I have to do. And Baumia will win.
Dr. Muhammad Baumia.
If God asks me to do it, I'll do it.
Send your baby do say you yourself. Say yourself with Dr. So.
Yamika se menye de ese meya.
Okay.
Meye. Why? Because didn't you mean to me and Yama can say there are petitions before court of heaven against him and also.
From who by who?
I told you there are voices from the grave. I told you there are voices speaking to the court of heaven from the grave. I told you things are in the. I told you prophets are talking to God. Men of God are talking to God. They are crying to God. Unless those errors are corrected.
But there are some men of God who saw more man, and one man of God, Prophet Nayogazi, nipa bakwa, and the Ghana, you be himself on a doctor, on a honorable can appropriate Japan, Montemon, for one Casabra, because say, a dear honorable dear and owns me fan channel. But on any Pacoya Beca, saying, Yami Yachan is a flag bearer now, MP before Quacopreno. Can he be the Munkuni?
That is him. But ask whether he is praying for him.
There be also one man.
That is it.
And so the Yamia canon or be kind.
But what is in court of heaven? That is what we are looking at.
In saying that, me you were but I mean, say, so say when you know, cost of heaven, not if soon you drew her petition in our heaven, dear. And then not having whom bend the each Professor Yugizanano, Yami bend the dad did the chair and said, honorable baby, and as that time, no voice is snake.
No, I don't say, who say. That is why during the election 2024, I already keep my word. Say I won't talk against any man of God.
Okay.
Because be anoni nyame kasana me hobi.
Okay.
But I only talk about what I know and what I can see. What I see is what I will tell you. And as I'm talking to you, everything I'm seeing is in favor of Baumia. In the realms of the spirit.
Okay.
That is it.
But if we share NPP party leadership, no, if you must be weak. If this is a election of a communicate, you almost like communina, son, or maba. Now you are brought be making statement. We say album come with the Paco or by ye delegates in BDF from near they won't support one candidate to be I am out to be. Party number one said issue statement says and some now brought ye any chairman would me kayano and your party stance no or much of would you. Ghana for name before beaches and ye enough and Kabaya sa chairman for me and woman you free party now some dream room. Would you say party leadership for NPP no? Almost strong enough for me a really power 2028 and now meet me as a prime minister. I'm not free and fair.
Same baby club we need power. Chairman to me must become the national chairman.
Apostle Luna is a petition a question is
yes.
Or maybe it's a national chairman.
Yes, for NPP to win power.
Okay.
I'm telling you. One person, if you joke with, and you almost a nipa hwe ni so. Nipa hwe ni so. Ye ka obi a spiritually or you're very strong. Chairman to me, you can't leave him out. You can't leave Chairman to me out.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Why Chairman to me is on the heart of God. Many will not know. Yes. So for NPP to win power, as a chairman to me, a national chairman.
Okay.
That's why I said they need a change in all the leadership.
Na JFK.
They need a change.
Nabi.
How many engineer? Because all these people are towards an agenda.
Agenda bear.
And they are towards certain agenda.
Against who?
Which is their interest and not the party interest.
Okay.
Not the interest of the NPP.
Current executives here.
Yes. Yes. Me, I always say, don't try to force by me on anybody. Let the election be free and fair. Whosoever win, let him win. Whosoever God said should win, let them win. Obi we need to let the person win fairly. Let everybody see. Now, one of the reasons why when some people came to me, I said, okay, if I pray to God and God agree for me to help Baumia, I will help Baumia is that by the things I am seeing on Ken's side and all the prophet I'm seeing going to his side, I want to go on the other side and see what will happen.
Okay. Oh, challenge it.
No. I just want to go to the other side. Yes. Let's see who will win.
A woman said a NPP for na air quack delegate conference, the Aquatuaba. Now so Omokotuaba na kuini padi a break Ghana, say Antony Swaba. Honorable attaching Abba Bontabeka said, Sabro, my Ghana will be a yeduno. Ye here will be a businessman. Ye here will be a economist. And what's near bore mine. Apostle names as Ocean Ghana may be a year. Say the businessman Genavo near the economist Genawa. Why no mine here no say?
For me, I won't say ye he'll be a yammy, you know. Whether business or whether economy, he'll be a yammy, you know.
Okay.
Because the yammy, you know, no bit me fulfilling the agenda of God and the plans of God concerning the nation.
Okay.
So that's it. And it is not in the books for Kennedy to become president.
Oh, Ghana.
Yes.
Ever.
Because of something.
Apostle something. Something.
Because of something. Which is holding. It is before something the watches. Anybody that is dealing with the watchers and the holy ones who knows things about God will tell you. I'm telling you.
Crowd up a pay pool.
I can tell you one prophet. Go and ask him.
Okay.
He will tell you everything. He will tell you Ken's mistake. He will tell you Ken's errors. He will tell you what is it there. Should I mention his name?
Now you could be son apostle.
Kubisa Prophet Clement.
Prophet Clement.
Yes.
Okay.
Ode Shosheno. Na Kubisa no. Clement testimony. You look for that guy. Look for that prophet. And go and ask him. That what is it about Ken? He will tell you. I'm telling you because I know the level he's operating.
Okay.
So when you meet people in certain dimensions talking, we want people who are in another dimension to tell you what exactly it is. That is why you can be here and say, we want Asidum Ketia to come. What am I saying? I said Asidum Ketia must not be the flag bearer of NDC. Even every prophet is saying Asidum Ketia. Who they are collaborating with Jina Hone? Now because one NDC for flag bearer, one ebeya. One more Asidum Ketia diya obebo julo zebredi. Because it is obvious, it is clear. But we are telling you that they are not the choice.
So the bad side is experience who here or politics more.
They are not the choice.
Experience who here.
It is not about experience. It is about God's choice. So that's it.
Okay.
Because when Asidum Ketia comes, it means the lamp holder has left the lamp. It means the green pot holder has left it. It means the rod holder has left the rod. Until Moses, nan kese so kita rod no, nan ko man nsa so, e wo pepo no so, na Israel fo din konim no, onya no so meko ana. That is it. The moment the hand of Moses go down, Israel will lose.
Okay.
That is Asidum Ketia for you. That is how powerful he is. So he must not come into the race. He must be the Moses.
For the NDC party.
And because he's the lamp holder, when the prophet is standing in a dimension, looking at him leading, he will just tell you, Asidum Ketia is the one who is coming. Because they don't see beyond. They don't know the agenda. They don't know what is there.
So with NPP before then, there were kind of point blank say honorable can accompany Japan because of petitions that there was already found who say yeah do bit maybe Ghana man that.
Yeah. If the prayers prayed against Ken, we be to prophesy about Ken. But the prayers that are prayed against him, the whippings of certain things that are against him, if those prayers now they were done before his coming on.
Odi for yenya so for mane be ka say man pani John Dramani Mahama ne nsa ho wo mugya ne nsa ho agufi ne ade nti Ghana konwa de wontimi betina so bi na say mpo Ghana fo nim ye mistake sande ne betina konwa ne so owe no man be kum ne ade no enya asem keto ewi echi no yesi nyame se na koma penti de man asama.
That one was politics.
It's then it is we sonye politics.
It was politics. Because he who say oye dio bibi.
Sene sa no bi so hwe ye beka say yensu ye hu say obi aba bonte beka bibi dia from apart from
when we are all in this country. We are all in this country. We saw what Ken did against the church, against the gospel. In such a way, he even said it is not necessary to go to church, to go and pray. It is useless. You must work hard than going to pray. Do you think a man can ridicule God? Yes.
And yes, sanity mum na no di benyam so ne oye na no amwa asofo na e beka se mo ye wo mo fake na wo mu oyi wo mu firi mu ana enipa ye ni da wo fake for no.
Do you know the prophet who died? Do you know the prophet who were destroyed? Can you fight for God?
No.
You don't go to church and you are fighting for church. You don't go to church. You are fighting for church. It was politics. It's not fighting for God. Because they were prophesying for another party.
But I saw for Bisu Bona Basso no ye no.
That is the people that are with him.
Okay.
Because all the year be more there.
Okay.
Or say you be more sorry. I know prophet who has never risen again because of Ken. I know churches who has collapsed because of him. Me Kaminyaya. I love his good works. I love his good works. Now me peke na zemo.
Now
Yes, I love his good works. Especially the things he has been doing for humanity. So I was praying for him until I saw what I saw.
Okay.
I could say IGP Dampare. And when I say IGP Dampare will go. When the people came to me and say, we want you to pray for IGP Dampare to continue to be the IGP. And when I was in prayer, and God said, stop it. And God began to show me things. Then I said, okay, if this is it, then let it be.
Okay.
And then Mama, I told all of them. And then Mama, Madam Pari, I'm maintaining. Because I follow what I see. I don't follow people blindly.
Okay.
Because me deal with chairman, what koto minimum, and I may deal with chairman who they dominate crowd or no, and they are koto minimum. Why should I follow you? That is it.
Apostle, the crack.
You see? And I will end with this that people say, you said Baumia must not become president. Yes, because of his negotiation with the Arabs.
Yeah, Apostle, who confused? We not come send the crack. So who was confused?
Yes.
What's on the baby flag bearer? That is, we near my people believe.
That doesn't mean that you'll become president.
Into we near Belusi.
That doesn't mean that you'll become president.
Into we near Belusi. And yes, sir.
Now, until that negotiation is changed from the table, some of us won't sit down to see this nation go into the hand of certain people.
So, I said negotiation with the Arabs, open so interesting because they're Arabian countries now. Developed countries are almost pompa. In the ABA, no, Muslim, no, so no negotiation or the negotiation is a baby boy my Ghana. I'm a
you know, it is not whether Muslim and your person or then a bit of my way so. Or then a bit Ghana minds where Haruna do so. It is not Baumia. The one that must become that is a Muslim, your person or then about Cyrus, Haruna do so. He will become the president of this country as a Muslim, and he will do better than everybody.
Yes, Haruna Drews name fear wedding.
Yes.
And it's Sabri send a Ghana Mabunani Apre. Now, one more chess and Quakrafoni by you.
You who are 80 years, a man penny.
So, about only 80 years.
No, are we not seeing it? Mama, how many years?
Obey a president, that's one the youngest president.
Who?
Mahama.
No, and the year may say Mama.
Okay.
Or how many years? Unya power, no, how many years?
It's in favor Haruna.
I'm telling you, you become president, and you are saying, I can tell you people that become president. I can tell you about Sami Jemfi. I can tell you about Ato Forsen. I can tell you about people. And I can tell you when they'll become president.
Okay.
So I saw that one. I did that way down. But because of the Arabs and the Fulanis, that is why I got scared when I see that Baumia want to become president. Because of the Arabs and the Fulanis. What will happen in this country?
The NPP.
The country will be invaded on, and then Ghana will no more be Ghana again.
Okay.
Like saying these Igbo people want to come and take over Ghana. That is what is going to happen.
Say Dr. Muhammad Bamia be man penny dear.
Yeah.
Need be seen.
Yeah. Unless something change. Unless we sit on the table and cancel certain things.
Apostle Yebrena Yepe.
May I say? Thank you.
This may that's a fire. I will say I had a Brema primary and common na ACA Apostle Bosheba and I AD and common message over your comments or comment section for at the among all the social media platforms. So go too much GH or subscribe like no share na Apple phone so any dark gold and I'm do so. The best share.